Hi guys, if you have seen the wrinkle shield button on your Whirlpool dryer and you have wondered what it actually does, in this video I'm going to explain how this feature works and when to use it and whether it is worth turning on for your laundry loads. So first of all, let's understand the wrinkle shield. So wrinkle shield is a Whirlpool dryer feature which is designed to help reduce the wrinkles after the drying cycle finishes. So instead of stopping completely, the dryer is going to continue tumbling the clothes periodically after drying ends. So this is going to prevent the clothes from sitting in one position for too long inside the warm drum. So now let's just understand how the wrinkle shield actually works. So after the main drying cycle finishes, the dryer briefly tumbles the clothes every few minutes without applying full heat continuously. So depending on your Whirlpool model, the feature may run for up to several hours unless the door is opened. So now you must be wondering when you should use it. So this feature is especially useful when you cannot remove the clothes immediately, when the drying dress, shirts or uniforms, when the washing works clothes, or when you are drying the wrinkle prone fabrics. So it is going to help reduce the need for the extra ironing later. So you may not need a wrinkle shield for very small loads, the towels, for blankets or for the clothes removed immediately after drying. So before starting the dryer cycles, you just have to simply press the wrinkle shield button on the control panel. So the indicator light should turn on when the feature is enabled. Now some of the Whirlpool dryer may also allow the different wrinkle protection durations. So you just have to simply enable that, and that's how you can use it. Thank you.